लष्कराची आधुनिक शस्त्रां आनी सामुग्री आता गोंयांत तयार जातली। गोंयांत मॉडर्न इक्विपमेंट प्लांट सुरू करपाक ज्या ज्या खात्यांच्या मान्यतायेची गरज आसा तांकां बेगोबेग प्रक्रिया सुरू करपाक सरकारान सांगला। इन्व्हेस्टमेंट प्रमोशन बोर्डान तुये उद्देगीक वचणुकेंत सोल्जर मॉडर्नायझेशन युनिटाक मान्यताय दिल्या। त्या युनिटाक 125 कुशळ लोकांक जॉब मेळटलो। लष्करा खातीर आधुनिक शस्त्रां आनी सामुग्री खातीर केंद्र सरकाराचो धनुष प्रकल्प, मेक इन इंडिया खाला आधुनिक माक्न आनी शस्त्रास्त्रां तयार करपी प्रकल्प, MS सिस्टम फॉर एव्हर हे भारतीय कंपनीन मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग युनिटाक अर्ज केल्लो। इन्व्हेस्टमेंट प्रमोशन बोर्डानूय हे अर्जाक मान्यताय दितना तुये उद्देगीक वचणुकेंत 2000 स्क्वेअर मेत्र जमनीचो प्लॉट दिला। हांगासर लष्करा खातीर वेगवेगळी आधुनिक माक्नां आनी शस्त्रास्त्रां तयार जातलीं। सैनिकां खातीर आधुनिक शस्त्रां आनी सामुग्री तयार करपाचो हो प्रकल्प बेगीन सुरू जावपा खातीर उद्देग खातें, वीज खातें, IDC, प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळ, उदका स्त्रोत खातें, फॅक्टरीज बॉयलर्स हे संबंदीत खात्यांक आनी म्हामंडळांक बेगोबेग परवानगी दिवची म्हूण 13 ऑगस्टाक IPBन निर्देश दिला। 45 कोटींची गुंतवणूक हे प्रकल्पात जातली। 125 कुशळ लोकांक रोजगार मेळटलो। IPBन थंय 80% गोंयकारांक जॉबांची अट घाल्या। प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश घाडी। सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी कंपनी मर्कान GMC खातीर 15 बायक एम्ब्युलन्सी दिल्यात। GMCन फाटीं 20 बायक एम्ब्युलन्सी सुरू केल्ल्यो। आयच्यो धरून 35 बायक एम्ब्युलन्सी जाल्यो। मर्कान बायक एम्ब्युलन्सी बरोबर तांच्या मेंटेनन्साक 50 लाख रुपये दिल्यात। सुपर स्पेशालिटी हॉस्पिटलाचें काम खंय नेटान चल्लां। GMCत मदर अँड चायल्ड ब्लॉक सुरू करपाची तयारी चल्ल्या म्हूण आरोग्य मंत्री सांगता।
And I must appreciate the work being done by 108 and also today Merck for having partnered the state government on such an important initiative. And this is how we need to go further. I am really grateful to them for having come all the way from Mumbai to be present here on today's occasion. This is a very important partnership and we would like to assure the members of the Merck team that we will ensure that we make maximum utilization of the support that they have given us of the bike ambulances. They have also financially supported the operations of these bike ambulances by giving us close to around 50 lakhs of rupees to start this service in the state of Goa. Steering committee already first slab galun jalle asa. We have already put the first slab of the super specialty hospital. First slab has come. Most importantly, that's a very important project for all of us. The steering committee has cleared all the necessary approvals that were required. And this is a 350 crore project, and all of you must be seeing next to Goa Medical College that the work is going full swing. I am monitoring it on a weekly basis, and we are trying to see that within the 14-month period we are able to put up the structure and commission it for the people of the state of Goa. That's going to be one of the finest hospital projects Goa has ever seen, and for this we have to thank our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for having once again revived this project because it was pending for about 3 years, and our Chief Minister Shri Manohar Parrikar for pushing everything and putting it on the right track. That has been on my mind from the time I became minister to take this project forward, and I'm sure the people of Goa will benefit in a very big way from this. Also put in a proposal to Government of India, which is under active consideration, is to put a mother and child block within the premises of Goa Medical College so that we can have a separate block for mother and child. I have spoken to the Union Minister Shri JP Nadda ji to consider it. We have sent a letter, we have sent a proposal. When I come back, I will pursue with the Honorable Union Minister to have this sanctioned. And also, we are in the process of handing over. We are not yet finalized. We are in the process of handing over the construction of the Regional Cancer Center to HSCC. I have moved the note to Honorable Chief Minister and asked him to consider, because HSCC has got vast experience of more than 21 and the National Cancer Center and so many cancer special setups there.
Give a commercial break.